everyone, back. So it's been a while, but we are on our way to go see Jake down at Diesel Mafia again. We're going to be putting our fass system, so I'm super excited. I've actually needed this for a while. This is something that every diesel person needs. The first, I'd say, is easier, and then do fast the pump, because it just helps a lot better. It helps injectors. But yeah, we're going there. We'll be there in a couple minutes. So excited. Okay everyone, so that was a startup, and oh man, what a difference it makes. Just this pump, like as soon as he started it, I noticed immediately just the way from what it sounded like before to now. Oh, it like runs a lot smoother. I haven't noticed anything in gas mileage just yet. Well, fuel mileage I should say, but it's runs great. Nothing I haven't had. I've only gone, you know, a couple of, I don't know, maybe 150 miles on it so far. But let me see. Hang on. So it was kind of short installation. I just didn't want to be in his way, and it was really hard to make a video where I need to be where he's at, and I didn't want to be in his way, because we did this all in like maybe an hour and a half. It didn't take that long at all. But I kind of show you where so we got all the lines in there. You know, your turn, feed, blah blah. Well, then all we did was basically we got the pump set up. We went and figured out all the ones going to the tank, and just ran through there. Let's see. Get up there. Pain, hold up. Okay. Got that one. Crap, what the heck? Okay. There, and then we got the ones that go into the tank. There. And there. Ran it that way. Sorry for really wobbly. Something. Sorry. Over there. And I know people are gonna start complaining and blah blah blah, this and that, but whatever. It's my video, so it's just the way everyone is. So we should obviously cut the fuel neck going there. But yeah, everything went awesome, and we just ran the wires over here, just along that. All the way up there to the engine bay, and then just ran it from right here to the engine, the actual motor ground, power it there, and then we just kind of cut a slit right here so it sits a little easier. Push it there, and then push that in, but that's where you want to wire it. So far everything's great. I think that it's I've had an air dog and a fass, and I can't really tell you yet what's like anything different, but so far I'm liking fass. It's also cheaper than the AirDog 4G, the new one, but so far it's nothing so far, or nothing, well, nothing bad so far. Holy shit, I can't even talk. But I'm going to delete the stock fuel head and just run a hose. I have extra hose from the kit, and that's kind of just a pain to go in there. But so we're back on this side. So yeah, we're just gonna delete that filter head, not have to worry about it anymore, because after the fass system, it basically filters it down better than this will. So this, obviously it's extra filtration, but I mean, it's really not going to do anything else and just cost you a little bit more money, you know, another fuel filter. But if you want to know what size, this is the extra, the 1/2 inch fuel line I got from the fass. This is how much I had extra. It's good, you know, 2 feet left, so it's plenty enough. All I need to get now is the clamps and we're set. Next thing, right there, back at the truck. So, and one thing I want to do too is get a wheel well liner, rear well liner, so I can cover that so it's just not sticking out, kind of like a sore thumb. But one thing too, as I tell you, fass's instructions always say to mount it on the other bed mount, but in order to get it to this, so you can't even see it, you literally have to go like right there, like all the way under to see it. But if you mount it on this second one, you can't even see. You can mount it up higher, but like I said, once you get a liner, you're gonna have to cut this part off, and I mean, you should be good as long as you're tight. It's not gonna do anything or fall off. But cut that off because it obviously sticks out pretty far. The wheel liner will kind of go and be in the way. So do that, and so you don't have to worry about anyone looking at it, obviously from this side. But once I get the wheel liner, you won't be able to see it. So other than that, I mean, it's really not like a crazy installation video because obviously I didn't show you much of it. But I was just kind of showing you how we did it, and it literally, professional wise and having the right tools, does not take that long at all. It was literally, I was like in and out super quick. So super easy, and this fass stuff, it comes with everything you need, and just all you really need is some wrenches and the quick disconnect tool, and that's it. Like, that's not really anything crazy. But other than that, I mean, I love it. I recommend it. This is one of the things I told you at the beginning of the video, is that everyone needs this and the EGR delete on a diesel automatically. So get you one. I think it's $664 for the 165 fass. So, and then the AirDog is, don't quote me on this, it's like 7 something. So, but yeah, get you one. Awesome. Like I said, like, share, notification, hit the bell button in the corner, and that'd be great. Thanks, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks, America. Thanks, everyone in the world. I see everyone that follows me and shares and stuff like that, but it helps me out, especially with this channel. And I want to make it bigger, do a lot more to the truck. Like, doing all for you guys. Thanks. Bye.